Hi, Imtiaz. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm doing wonderful. It's a nice day. And are you ready?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I have one sister.
Who is older, you or your sister?
My sister is older than me.
Do you get along with your sister?
Yes, we get along okay.
And how about your parents?
My father died many years ago.
I'm sorry to hear about that.
My mother is fine. She is very strong and like to works.
What does your mother do?
She teach physics.
She teaches at university. ये
Um,
वाला sentence आपका ना? She teaches at university.
just, she teach at
Teaches
a
at
university.
university.
She
She
teacher
teaches
it.
at university.
She teaches at university.
That's great. What does she teach?
She teach physics.
She teaches psych.
Psych.
Pardon
He
me?
said,
I don't understand.
she teach physiology,
She teaches psychology.
psychology,
Psychology. I understand now.
psychology.
Oh, लोग आ गए सबर गए. I'm sorry. ये भी काम है ना. Okay. She teaches psychology. And how about you? Are you married? या आप मुझसे पूछेंगे.
How about you? Are you married?
I'm not married yet. I had a girlfriend for many years, but we broke up.
I'm sad to hear that.
I'm sad to hear that. Okay, is that done?
Yes, I did.
Very
We
good. So
broke
thank
up
you.
again.
Yes, we broke up.